Good morning, class 10. Today we will start exercise 13.3 and we will do question number 1, 2 and 3 of this exercise. And what is the basic of this exercise? Actually, the base is the conversion of one solid into the another solid. Now let us do question number 1. A metallic sphere of the radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Now this sphere is converted into cylinder. Now for this sphere, R1 means the radius is 4.2 centimeter and for the cylinder radius is 6 centimeter and height I have taken h. Now both have the different radii, so I have taken R1, R2. Now the concept is volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. When one solid is converting into the another solid, then their volumes remains the same because the materials is same, so their volume is also same. Now what is the formula for the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, and it is pi r2 square h. Cancel out pi to pi. Now put the value of r1 4.2, r2 6. Now after this you can find the value of h, and that is coming 2.744 centimeter. Now what is our second question? According to our second question, metallic spheres of the radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. I have written wrong here, it is sphere. Okay. Now the three spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. It means all are different. I have taken R1, R2, R3. All the three are melted and form a single sphere, and I have taken its radius as R, S1, S2, S3 and S. I have taken them like this. Now the volume of a single solid sphere means its volume, that will be equal to the volume of sphere S1, volume of sphere S2, volume of sphere S3. Now put the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is for the solid sphere, which will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. I have taken 4 by 3 pi as common, so in the bracket it will be r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Now what I have done, 4 by 3 pi I have cancelled out from the both side. Here r cube is there, and 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. 6 cube is 216, 8 cube is 512 and 10 cube is 1000. And after adding it I am getting 1728, which is equal to 12 cube. So r cube is equal to 12 cube. It means the value of r is 12 centimeter. So the radius for this solid, this sphere, will be 12 centimeter. The value of r will be 12 centimeter. Now what is our third question? The third question is, a 20 meter deep well with the diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth means जो वेल को जो डग करने पर जो मिट्टी निकली है उसके लिए ये अर्थ वर्ड यूज कर रहा है. The earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Here the platform is in the shape of cuboid. Now this is a valve which is in the cylinder. Its height is 20 meter and its diameter is 7 meter, and the platform is that will be in the shape of cuboid, and its length is 22 meter, breadth is 14 meter, and height I have taken h2. Here I have written h1 and here h2. Now for the cylinder, h1 is 20 meter, r is 7 by 2 meter. For cuboid, L is 22 meter, B is 14 meter, and h2 is the height of the platform. Similarly, I will use the same concept. Volume of the cylinder will be equal to the volume of platform, that is cuboid. pi r cube h1 will be equal to L into B into h2. put all the values and find the value of H2, that is coming 2.5 centimeter. Now you can do question number 1, 2, 3 of 13.3.